Welcome to our course on mapping your educational research, putting spatial concepts into practice with GIS. My name is Mark Hogrebe. I'm an educational researcher, quantitative type researcher. Needless to say, one of my favorite areas of research is using GIS and spatial analysis applied to educational issues.
I'm with the U.S. Census Bureau. I work in the government's division on the Education Demographic and Geographic Estimates program. It's a program that's sponsored by the Department of Education's National Center for Education Statistics, so we kind of have a long-term collaborative partnership with them creating and designing data for them.
And in the first section I'm going to be doing, which is an introduction to GIS, going over basic concepts and assumptions. Everything is related to everything else, but near things are more related than distant things.
So in this portion of the session, what we wanted to do is just show a practical example. Go out to my symbology field, and what I wanted to do, first of all, is I wanted to look at poverty characteristics. There's a lot of variation. And it's not just in the high poverty areas. I mean, you look in the suburban areas, there's a lot of places where there are a significant portion of kids who are not attending some sort of a pre-K program. I'd really like to be able to find those elementary schools that happen to be in my follow-up areas. I will think that if I'm going to expand a program, I'm going to start looking in these areas with schools that already offer down to kindergarten. At that point, you can just export your map.
And GWR is designed to take into account this spatial dependence in clustered data. So for each district, there's going to be a regression equation. What's the process you'd go through to do a spatial analysis? This is the test for spatial autocorrelation. The output will actually plot the standardized residuals, and we get this plot, and just visually looking at that, we can see that there are clusters.
Census geography. Census geography, the structure of it, can really be characterized by two different hierarchies. So school points, latitude and longitude values are available for all of the universe data sets at NCES. Let's talk about school points. I love this map. This is the Tentic School District in Utah.
Thank you very much for coming and participating.
To view this course, please visit the Virtual Research Learning Center, VRLC, today.